This is a training opportunity for HazMat teams throughout the state and actually throughout the region to keep their competency up as per OSHA standards, to network with other teams, learn from each other, and to also have some competition involved with the training just to make it a little more fun. All of the props here are plumbed with compressed air and water to simulate leaks. There's no real exposure to anything here, so making an accident doesn't have a life-threatening consequence for people. 10 teams, 2 from Oklahoma, 1 from Arizona, and the rest throughout the state of New Mexico, mostly municipal fire departments, but also some industry teams. And we have 8 props here that they'll rotate through over a 2-day period. We change the scenarios at least a little bit every year so everyone can learn something new each year. We listen to the teams that come here, learn about the responses they've done. We all are very open about talking about what went well, what didn't go so well, and that way we can learn from each other's mistakes and hope that we don't do that on a real response. Take away from here, it should be new knowledge. Even if they've done certain scenarios before, they should learn something new. What the lab gets out of this is we're training surrounding communities that we may have to rely on if we were ever to have a big incident. We're sharing a training center that we've made over many years that a lot of local communities don't have. We need to interact with other departments and HazMat teams because different teams will deal with different types of incidents on a regular basis. And so we all need to come together and talk about what we've done so we can learn from each other. So we gain as much knowledge as we give and we build relationships. All of the teams want to come, they want to do well. Everyone would like to have the traveling trophy for getting first. But especially this year, it's very evident in the teams that getting the max points in the least amount of time is not as important as learning what we need to do on a scene, doing that correctly. You learn the most by making a mistake. Once you make that mistake, you're very unlikely to make it again, so we want people to be able to make mistakes in a safe environment, and that's the attitude the teams have come here this year, is they want to learn, but have fun at the same time.